All right, the second biggest ranking factor for ranking on the map pack in your Google Business Profile, based off the 2023 SEO research study that WhiteSpark did, is having keywords in your Google Business Profile title. So the name of your business, having your main keyword in there. And I can speak on this from loads of firsthand experience with the hundreds of businesses that I've helped optimize their Google Business Profile and rank better on Google, that this is so powerful. Right? Most of the time, people already have the primary Google business category thing taken care of because normally that's pretty straightforward. But the keywords in your business title is just absolutely overpowered. And just to go ahead and just throw this out there as a disclaimer, this is technically against Google's terms of service, right? This is technically not, they technically do not recommend this. But this is the worst that I've seen Google do to any of my personal clients in terms of putting this in their name, right? So this was one of my clients that has had quite the lengthy name: Monster Steamer, Carpet Cleaning and Air Duct Cleaning, San Diego. So adding San Diego in there is pretty bold, just like adding the location is pretty bold. And adding to the main keywords is very bold. What I recommend is just having your business name make main keyword. So in this example, just doing Monster Steamer, Carpet Cleaning, or whichever one he wants to prioritize, Carpet Cleaning or Air Duct Cleaning, Monster Steamer, Air Duct Cleaning, or Monster Steamer, Carpet Cleaning. Don't do two keywords and the location. When it comes to location, based off your website or based off the address of your Google Business Profile, Google knows where you're at. And if you don't have a good website, then they probably don't. So that becomes very beneficial. But your business name and then your main keyword. And so basically the worst I've seen them do is they basically just send over this email saying, hey, your Google Business Profile is updated. Their algorithm basically just update it automatically based off of the name change or based off of their whatever they're doing to scan through business names and figure out who's doing this. And so I don't recommend going crazy with it. But one thing that you can do that Google can't touch is get a DBA, get a doing business as, and just add your main keyword in there. And so unless you already have it, I mean, if you're a plumbing company and the name of your business is already Joe's Plumbing Services, then good, you're great. You're golden. Google can't do anything about that because you just send in the paperwork saying, hey, here is the name of our business, and they can't mess with that. So this is very important. If you have the time, and first thing I recommend is just going ahead and adding it in. And then if Google does keep removing it, what I recommend doing is just getting a DBA and sending it in there. And so just to kind of show you some of the effects of this, I already showed this on the last video, but Cryo Near Me, Cryo 850 is the name of the business. And so they're going to outrank everyone, not only because they have the name in their title, but they also have way more reviews than anybody else. But so Cryo, having that main keyword in it really, really helps. Another thing I could show you is you can see air conditioner replacement, air cooling, air conditioning. Like you just see this over and over and over again. So, having the name of your business, have your main keyword in it is very, very beneficial, like crazy beneficial. So another thing is beach. This is a local thing near me in the town that I'm in, but if we go to the map pack, you'll see beach bonfires, beach bonfires, 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 beach bonfires. You see how they added -38 beach bonfires? They're like, hey, that's our main keyword. And they're ranking better for it. They just dashed in, they put their business name, dashed their main keyword, and they're ranking better for it. And so this is my client right here, 387 reviews. I've been working with it for a minute. Beach bonfires in the name of their actual business. It's too easy. And so how do you edit this? Well, it's pretty simple. All you do is, once again, you go to your Google Business Profile by typing in the name of your business into Google, making sure you're logged on to the email that manages it, or you can just click here and then click on Edit Profile, and then you just change it right here. You just boom, change it. It's gonna be marked under pending. Once you change it for load, you click save. It's gonna be marked under pending, and normally it'll go through within 10 minutes. In my experience, I've almost always seen the name change go through the first time, and then maybe a couple weeks later, they email you, say, hey, we changed it. But It probably just depends on your industry and where you're located, because some areas and industries are way more competitive and more harshly monitored by Google. So yeah, that is the second main business category. I'm going to go ahead and also link to the form that once that you get this email like, hey, this is incorrect, and they're changing it back, I'm going to go ahead and give you the link to the form where you can go fill out and add all your business documents, so you can show them, hey, here's my DBA, or here's the name of my business once it is official. It's that way they can't touch you for it. But yeah, you can see here, I'll just paste this link down below here in the notes of this video. But all you do is you're just going to select, make sure you're logged on and submitting this request through the email that manages your Google Business Profile. All you're going to do is just come through and come down here and request the business. You probably only have one or a couple. So just request the Google Business Profile, what you're wanting to do. And let's just go and do this real quick. Let's say name change. All right, and let's see how to fix the business name. So what's going to do, you type in name change, type in business name change, whatever, and go ahead, wrong changes to business name, click on that one, next step, or you're just going to click on next step again, say that doesn't help. We're just going to do contact options, we're going to click on email, and now they've kind of opened up the form, opened up the mother load where we can submit all the proof that we are who we say we are, and we have this main keyword in our business name. And so go ahead and add your name, add whether you're owner of the business, whatever it is, add the business name, add the business address, add the maps link. Basically, just go to your Google Business Profile, click on the little maps icon that's on your Google Business Profile. So I can show you what it looks like. Click here, and then that's going to pop up, and this is going to be your maps link right there. So once again, it's just going to be look at your Google Business Profile, and it's when you're right here. So it's just the Google Maps version of your Google Business Profile, and you can get there by just clicking right there. So add that link in there, and then what is your business website? Add your website. Select aspects of page incorrect. Obviously click on business title. Describe the issue. Say, hey, you keep changing my name, but this is actually my business name. Like, I know you're changing it, but this is actually my business name now. And click on submit. And when you go through here, they should offer you some proof. So sorry. Yeah. So here you go. Yeah. Once you check on like business title or whatever, then it pops up some additional fields where you can go ahead and add this file to show screenshots or show proof or show business documents that, hey, this is the name of the business, and so you can just add that right there, and then just click submit, and it's going to take a little while. It might take a couple weeks, a week, 7 to 10 business days, what they normally say, but you never know. Sometimes it's 3 days, sometimes it's 24 hours, sometimes it's feels like never. So best of luck. That was your main keyword and your business name. If you have any questions at all about this, go to the community, pop them in here, ask us your question. And if you have any further questions, go ahead and book a time. Go ahead and add one of the coaching calls to your calendar and hop on. We'll go through it together and make sure that you are set up to rank the best, to rank as high as you can up in the map pack and start getting more people to your business today. Thanks.